In a bustling furniture workshop, a weary owner discovers that real success begins when the shop floor is truly heard. She implements short daily huddles where each craftsman shares one obstacle and one small solution. No blame, just progress. By tracing bottlenecks from rough cut to finished piece, they cut waste, speed up delivery, and restore pride. A modest pricing tweak guided by client feedback transforms stalled orders into a steady stream of loyal customers. Within months, profits rise, teamwork glows, and growth proves it lives in listening and small, deliberate changes.